Ariana! Stunning. What's up, you guys? It's Amber and welcome back to a new vlog. Today's vlog is a very exciting one because I'm taking you guys on a wicked adventure. It's no secret, I love Ariana Grande perfumes. A lot of you guys probably found me on YouTube through unboxing Ariana perfumes. And it's an exciting day because Ariana teamed up with Wicked for Good, the movie, and she created an Elphaba and a Glinda perfume. The bottles portray each witch. We have a green elixir looking perfume, which represents Elphaba, and we have a pink bubble looking perfume for Glinda. So I'm very excited. My phone is going off because Ariana Grande just posted on Instagram. Anyway, I am currently just doing a little bit of like touch-ups on myself because I just got home from work. I'm about to have Devin come with me and he's gonna take some pictures of me in front of the Wicked display so that hopefully I can post them and maybe Ariana will see. I'm hoping R.E.M Beauty maybe will see because they have been reposting people all day long who have shopped the collection. That would be amazing. And you guys know usually I channel my inner Glinda because I am a pink lover. I definitely am partially a Glinda at heart. Like I do resonate with both of our lovely witches, but I do think I'm probably more Glinda leaning. However, lately I have felt more Elphaba leaning. We're channeling our Elphaba today. I have green on. I'm wearing this cute little Wicked t-shirt with an all black outfit. I am though gonna put some pink ribbon in my hair, I think. It just doesn't feel right not wearing pink, you know? I am so excited for these perfumes. I have avoided all spoilers, so I actually have no idea what they smell like. I did accidentally have spoiled for me that Elphaba's perfume does contain apple as a note, so that's very interesting, but I didn't read any further, so I don't know if it's like a sour apple. So we're gonna go into this blind. It's gonna be a blind review. I already placed my order for the perfumes just because when I was at work, I noticed that they were sold out at a couple of the stores near me, and I just did not want to risk getting there and it being sold out. I would have been so upset. I pre-ordered it, so it's all ready to go. We just have to go pick them up. I also want to check out the Wicked x R.E.M Beauty display. I heard that the display is up in Ulta. I cannot wait to see how that looks. You guys know I always love going to see an R.E.M Beauty display at Ulta. Anything Wicked makes me so excited, and life has just been so crazy lately that I look for any reason to celebrate, you know? I'm gonna go in with my Fembot highlight stick. I feel like it's totally giving Glinda's bubble. I'm also bringing my Fembot Glossy Balm. I didn't purchase the Glinda kit from the R.E.M Beauty Wicked for Good collab just because I felt like the Glinda kit looked just like the Fembot products. Oh, I was like, what is on my TV? It's Cynthia Erivo's artist picture. I was like, that doesn't look like Wicked. I did not purchase the Glinda set because I felt like the colors in it looked just like the Fembot collection. And I'm sure they are a little different, but I just couldn't justify purchasing that when I literally just purchased the Fembot collection that kind of looks similar. If you guys own the Fembot collection and you also purchased the Glinda set, please let me know if they are similar. I need to know just in case, because if they are different, maybe I will reconsider. Tundra is making all kinds of noise. She's like, my mother is just obsessed with this bitch Ariana Grande and doesn't pay attention to me. I think I'm gonna leave the ponytail out because it's kind of giving beach waves, and then I'm just gonna put a little pink bow in my hair and we will call it a day. Let's see how that looks. Cute, that'll do. We have to put on a perfume. I think I'm gonna spray a little bit of my Cloud because I currently have her decorated with Unlimited and For Good bracelets on my literal last drop of Cloud, so I'm gonna have to add that to the list. I'm gonna also put on some Plush Vanilla because I feel like Glinda would be a vanilla girl. Although I feel like Glinda would be an Ari by Ariana girl. Comment down below, what perfume of Ariana's would Glinda be? We are about to have the Glinda perfume very soon. This is the finished look. I'm wearing, oh, and I stepped on Tundra. I'm such a horrible mother. I have some white socks on. I almost wore Wicked socks, but honestly, they were just so tall, they didn't go with the vibe of the outfit. There we have it. I know, honey, I'm sorry. I'm a horrible mother. And without further ado, let's go to Ulta. We're here. I'm dragging Devin with me on a fangirl adventure. Oh my God, look. Ariana. Stunning. Wow, so gorgeous. This is what I bought. This palette, that eyeshadow palette. I also got under eye patches. So cute. Oh my gosh, the Kiss nails are stunning. Wow, so pretty. This is why we're here today. We have Glinda's bubble and we have Elphaba's elixir. You think I could give this to you now? We're here at Ulta. We have the Wicked x R.E.M Beauty collection. I guess let's do a smell test. We have the Glinda perfume. Let's give her a smell. Ooh, it smells like kind of like bubble gum and candy. Very Glinda, very fruity. I like that one. Got the green elixir. Smell this one. Ooh, that one does smell like apple. Now I need to try this out. The cheek and lipstick from the Glinda collection. And I want to try this one out to see if it's like fembot. Cute. And then this is the liquid eyeshadow. So gorgeous. Literally looks just like Glinda's bubble. Ooh, that's pretty. Wow, gorgeous. The last thing I need to try, the Glossy Bomb. Now that I'm seeing it in person, it definitely looks like a different shade than the fembot one. Oh wow, that's really freaking pigmented. I was considering getting the Wicked R.E.M Beauty brush. So cute. I might still end up getting that. So cute. We got the goods. I'm just setting you guys up because Devin's doing a little photo shoot for me. You're the best boyfriend in the whole world.
Going for a boyfriend couch in Ulta.
I agree. I think that would be perfect. Alright, you did it. Okay, you guys, we are home and we got the goods. That was so much fun going to Ulta and seeing the display, and especially having Devin there with me as like my cameraman and my support was just the most fun. It really felt so magical. I know it's so corny. I'm literally just purchasing perfumes. If you know, you know. Shout out to you if you've been here since my Moonlight review. Years and years ago, probably almost 10 years ago, I posted a review on Moonlight by Ariana Grande, and it was one of my first videos that picked up and got a lot of views. And it's how I found so many of you guys, people who didn't have access to the perfume yet, whether they were overseas and the perfume hadn't come out there yet. People were coming to me to see if they thought it was worth it to buy the perfume. People really took my review so seriously, which I really appreciate and love so much. So fast forward, who would have thought that now we would be here reviewing Ariana X Wicked perfumes. We have come so far, it's crazy. I have my little coffee here with my pink scrunchie on it. I Galindified her. I needed that to get me through this day. But anyway, we are home now. I had so much fun shopping for these perfumes. I'm so grateful for Devin for coming with me and being my cameraman and keeping me company and hyping me up. Like, he is my #1 hype man. If I was by myself, I would have felt so silly doing that, but he made me feel just like so powerful. Let's get into these perfumes, shall we? We have the Wicked Galinda perfume. This one is called Galinda Bubbly Pink. Here we have Elphaba Enchanted perfume. The packaging on Elfie's is stunning. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I love the green smoke that's going throughout. I cannot believe I actually have these in my hands. There was so much rumor and speculation about these online. These had leaked a couple of months ago online and I was like, are those real? I think we are first gonna unbox the Glinda perfume because of course Glinda is my girl. Pink is my favorite. I had a feeling this one was gonna be my favorite, but after smelling them in the store, I really cannot tell which one I like more. So without further ado, let's open her up. The Galinda Bubbly Pink perfume. The packaging is stunning. Ariana Grande, Wicked for Good, only in theaters. Galinda Bubbly Pink down at the bottom. I am obsessulated with this pink bubble looking pattern around the box. Oh my God, like it actually really looks like water. It's so crazy. Packaging is gorgeous, 10 out of 10. I expected nothing less from Ariana. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I can see her crown poking out. So gorgeous. Oh, the crown fell off. Make way for the bubble. Wow. Oh my gosh, we gotta put her crown on for full effect. She is gorgeous. Look at that bubble. It is really cute. It reminds me of the old Britney Spears perfumes. And her bubble crown is just stunning as ever. Oh my gosh. It says Ariana Grande on the bubble crown. This is really cute. Oh my God, I am obsessed. A perfume making me this happy. That's crazy. We are gonna spray Glinda on this sleeve and we're gonna spray Elphaba on this sleeve just so I can keep track for the rest of the night how it smells. It smells like fruity bubble gum. It is just so good. I'm trying to guess the notes before I look. Me focusing so hard. It is just so yummy. I feel like I smell pear or something of that nature. It smells warm. It's fruity and warm and delectable. In the store, I was leaning more towards Elfie, but the pendulum is swinging back towards Glinda. I love her. I love her so much. So there we have it. That is the Galinda Bubbly Pink perfume. This is the 3.4 fluid ounce size. This retails for $72. That's a pretty average price for Ariana's perfumes, especially for that size. Let us see what the notes are, shall we? So this is described as a floral gourmand fragrance, which is why it smelled so fruity and edible. The top notes are pink sparkle apple, blush nectarine, and pink pepper. Middle notes are charming princess tulip, dewy peony, and the base is creamy cedarwood, blonde woods, sandalwood, and sugared musks. Very, very interesting. It smells really, really good. I'm trying to think of what to compare it to, but I really can't think. I have to marinate on that. Let's move on to Elphaba Enchanted. Ooh, here we have it, the bottle for Elphabas. I do love the green smoke. I think it is such a nice touch. I honestly love the contrast in packaging. I feel like they did such a good job that this one feels so light and airy, and this one feels dark and like sultry almost. It says Ariana Grande, Wicked for Good, only in theaters, and Elphaba Enchanted. And this one is also a 3.4 fluid ounce perfume. The tester did not have the cap, so I don't know what the cap looks like. Wow. It looks just like the bottle of elixir that Elfie keeps under her pillow in the movie. I will say, missed opportunity though for a witch's hat. I feel like we could have had a crown and a witch hat going on. I do like the bottle though. I think the green elixir vibe is super cute. I really, really like that. Oh my God, not my face through it. Let's give her a smell. We have the Elphaba sleeve. See, this one is interesting because it's not overwhelming with one scent or one note right off the bat, whereas with Glinda's, immediately I just smelled like the most yummy sugary fruit smell, which was the apple. I kind of thought it was pear, but you're immediately met with that. Whereas this, I can't describe it. It's like almost so many notes at once. It's very warm smelling. There we have it on the Elphaba Enchanted. Now let's look at the notes. I forgot to read the description of Glinda's, but this one says, a bewitching new fragrance. Make a thrillifying return to Oz with Elphaba Enchanted by Ariana Grande Fragrances, a new limited edition Wicked for Good fragrance. Elphaba Enchanted is complex, layered, and surprisingly addictive. Certainly is complex, and it certainly is layered because I smell so many things at once when I sniff this. So this is in the amber woody fragrance category. The top notes are green glow apple, freesia, and black plum. Very fruity, very delicious. The middle notes are moonflower, vanilla caviar, and emerald cocoa accord. I love that it says emerald. And the base is smoldering oud wood. I'm not familiar with that. Oak moss and vanilla elixir. Ooh, very Aussie and forest coated. Very different. Like I could not have guessed any of those if you had paid me $1 million. It smells really good. I'm having trouble deciding which one I like more. Why is there no fucking picture for this? Like you're ruining my aesthetic. Goodness, we'll leave it like that. This one is a more obvious kind of in your face, like this is fruity, this is delicious, I like it. This is just more mysterious. This one just caught me by surprise and I just still cannot fully tell how I feel about it. I really like it, but I'm just like, what are you? Like what? I feel like it's a chameleon. I feel like I'm smelling so many different things. I'm popping in with an editor's note because I am obsessed with the Elphaba Enchanted perfume. I sprayed it all over myself today. The past few days, I've really been trying to figure out what it is that I smell, and I feel like it is a mix between Mod Vanilla and Cloud. It's so good. This one's interesting. I really, really want to hear what other people think about this one. So if you have tried this one, please comment down below what you think about it. I don't know how that works, but I guess we will just chalk it up to it is a magic elixir. As an Ariana fan, I feel like this is just so special. The fact that she made Wicked fragrances. If you've been in the fandom, you know how special Wicked is to Ariana. And also, if you are a Wicked the musical fan, you probably can appreciate that Ariana and Cynthia have brought so much attention to Wicked. Wicked the musical just was so inaccessible to so many people. It was on Broadway, and unless you were able to go to a show or watch a bootleg, it was very hard to appreciate Wicked. But now, thanks to John M. Chu bringing it to life and to everybody who's been a part of the Wicked films, people all over the world are able to really appreciate the story of our witches that a lot of people did not know. And also, Wicked the musical is so different from the book. So again, it was just a very niche thing. It was hard to find Wicked merch back before the movie ever became a thing. It was very niche, and now I feel like Ariana and Cynthia have kind of made it more accessible for everyone. So I really appreciate that. And of course, not just Ariana and Cynthia, everyone that has had a hand in this movie. The crew, everyone who you don't see, has made this movie so magical, and I'm just really excited about it. To each their own though. I know some people are not into musicals and some people are not into Ariana Grande. Probably on the wrong YouTube page if that's the case. case, but I appreciate it if you're staying. For me, thank you. But yeah, if you don't like those things, you're probably gonna wanna skip my content for the next few months. In this current moment, I'm going to say that the Glinda perfume is my favorite. I think this is the one that I'm gonna use the most. Oh my God, it just is so good. I am obsessed, obsessulated, if you will. I am just so excited for this movie. These movies just could not have come at a better time in my life. That is it for my unboxing on the brand new Wicked Ariana Grande fragrances. Comment down below if you have tried them. What do you think? Do you plan on trying them? I'm very curious. Are you team Glinda or Elphaba? I'm team both because they both smell really good. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to grab the new perfumes. I feel like it's just tradition at this point that we open new Ariana Grande perfumes together. And before I go, this is this week's shout out of the week. Shout out to you, boo. Thank you so much for your love and support. And if you want to be a future shout out, just make sure you are following me and being active on my social media, and I'll be choosing a random comment for the next video. Cheers to the countdown of Wicked for Good. I am so excited and I can't wait to continue counting down with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.